Hey everybody, welcome to the video. Today we've got an unboxing to do. This time it's from APMEX, so I'm going to go ahead and open this box up and we're going to see what we ordered. Alright, well we got that box open, we've got our inner package open, so let's just reach in here and start grabbing some stuff. I know that I ordered, usually they have a little sticker on there. Let's see, we should have a couple more rolls of these. Interesting. Usually they have a white label on there that tells you exactly what it is, and they're not open like that. But we should have 3 full rolls of 40%ers. And that's exactly what they are. And I believe we ordered a bunch of 1/10 rounds for our live streams. Let me just reach in here. All right. Save some of these other things here. So we've got 10th ounce rounds. Of course, I'm not even in the frame here. And we've got 2, 2, 2, and 2. So it looks like I ordered 4 different designs here. We have 2 of the Incus Indian design. These are Golden State Mint. Yep, we got 2 of those. And then we ordered the Walking Liberty design. We also got 2 of those. And then we got 2 of the APMEX in-house design there. I've actually never ordered these before, so we've got 2 of those, just a little something different. And one of my favorites here is the Mercury design. And we ordered 2 of those as well. All right, now for the good stuff. Let's see. Let me reach in here and strategically we'll start with this. So we've got this is a 71 through a 76, I guess their choice, Eisenhower. $1, 40% coin there. And it's supposed to be BU, brilliant uncirculated. It does look uncirculated. So we've got one of those. And then we've got a couple of goodies here. This is a 1922 through a 35 peace dollar in very good to extra fine condition, and it was a random year. So let's see what year they sent us. 1922. Pretty cool. And I believe we have one more thing in here. And this is a 21 Philadelphia, Denver, or San Francisco Morgan. Again, in very good to extra fine random year. Of course, this would be a 21, I'm assuming. But the mint mark would be random. We got a 1921. And let's see. Looks like Philadelphia. So that's in pretty nice condition right there. So actually all of this order right here, this is all for our live streams. If you haven't joined us before on a live stream, I encourage you to do so. We always have a good time, and we have a ton of cool stuff to give away. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in the next one.